Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use both your TV speakers and then your actual external speaker at the same time on your Samsung TV. So you simply just need to turn on a setting. We need to go to all settings right here, scrolling down to general and privacy, and then I believe it's under accessibilities. Scroll on down under here, and we are looking for multi-audio out. And it says enable both TV speakers and Bluetooth devices at the same time. When this function is active, you can set the volume of your Bluetooth devices to be louder than the TV speaker. So we can set it right here. So just make sure this is enabled. And I can see my soundbar is located right here. And I can make sure it's connected. So it looks like it's actually turned off. And then if we go back, we should be able to just adjust this now. We got sound output. We got our soundbar and our TV speakers here. So we should be able to hear both of them at the same time. So just look at that as an option. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below.